Hey there, it's Dan Hamilton here again with Hamilton & Company of Keller Williams, Greenville, Upstate, coming to you with 3 tips for what buyers are looking for in today's market. And you might be asking, well, Dan, what does it matter? It's a seller's market. If I put my home on the market, we'll get multiple offers right away. That may be the case, but if you want to get every dollar you can in this market, there are a few things that buyers are looking for in today's market. And I want to share those with you, what we are finding through not only data that we are finding out there statistically, but also just what we're hearing from buyers that are looking for homes right now. The biggest thing, number one, is extra space for remote work. Many workers are still spending a lot of time at home, using a home office, working from home. Still, sometimes kids are getting educated at home as well. So that extra space, that space where you can just go and have a little bit of quiet time, a little bit of thought time to get those work meetings done, to get those Zooms in place without hearing all the background noise out there. Work from home space is still very, very important. So make sure your home has a space for that. Number 2, a dedicated laundry room. No more the people want the closet in the hallway where you've got a laundry there. You want to make sure that you've got a great space where people can separate, they can have their laundry, you can do your ironing, all those things in one place separated. If you've got maybe an unfinished basement or maybe some space in your home that is unfinished that you could use to convert into a laundry room, that would be ideal because many buyers right now are really looking for a dedicated laundry space. Last, energy efficiency. That is a big ticket item right now for many buyers. They want to make sure that they're not going to incur unnecessary cost in electrical, gas, all those things for homes to keep things running. We're finding a lot of buyers now, before they make an offer, they want to see historic utility bills. They want to make sure that your home is efficient as possible. And there are a couple things actually that you can do to make sure your home is. What we find is, newer windows are very important. If you've got drafty windows, that's where you lose a lot of that energy. And then insulation is really, really a big deal. So make sure before you put your home on the market that you're looking at these 3 things in particular. Make sure you're checking those boxes. If there are any things that you want to do before you put your home on the market, give us a call. We'll help you decide if you get a good return on investment or not. Make that call first before you do it and spend that money, and that way we can maybe help you save some money, or we can help you get a really good return on investment. Thanks for watching this quick video. If ever it can help you in any way, you can reach me directly, 864-527-7685, or right here on our website, mygreenvillehome.com.